Good morning, students. In earlier class, we have gone through the contents order by, group by, and having clause. Order by clause is used to retrieve data in some order, either in ascending order or descending order. Group by clause is used to arrange data in a particular value of a column in group basis, and having clause is used to apply some condition with the use of aggregate function. Student, you are instructed to go through our previous video once again for the practice purpose. Learn it properly. Now in this time we are going to learn relational algebra, and only those parts of the relational algebra which is part of our syllabus. As its name implies, it works over relation. Relation means table, and in generic term we can say relation or table is just similar to set. So students who have the basic knowledge of mathematics, its part set theory, will learn it very easily, and the student who don't know need not to worry. I will explain the operations which can be performed over relation. Relation means table or means set, and very easy manner. Okay. So various operations can be performed over any relation. Some of the basic relational algebra operations are either unary relational operation, or from the set theory, or from binary relation operation like join and division. So the operation given in bold letters are included in our syllabus. First one is union, next is intersection, next is difference, next Cartesian product, and last one is join operation. For additional knowledge, you student can learn also select, project, and rename. Select operation means selection of rows. You have already gone through the select query of mysql, that is just similar. Project means selection of columns value, just similar. Select name comma f name, so you are projecting over name and f name. If you are applying condition, it means you are applying select relational operation. And rename, changing the name. Then comes to union. Union means applying union operation over two or more set values and retrieving the result. Student, you can learn this one easily. Listen it carefully. Suppose in our class 12 D and E, we are having class 12 D and E, two students in each class. In class 12 D, we are having two students with name Anil and Vimal. And class 12E, we are having students Vimal and Tarun. Now, if someone say how many names are there in these two classes, stress over here, how many names are there, not number of students. So Anil, Vimal and Tarun. Vimal is twice, but when we are considering over the name, in that case it will not be repeated. Okay, I give you another example. Set A students, there are number of students, don't worry about those, but there are two groups or two sets. One of the students learning English, Anil and Vimal learn English, and another set Vimal, same student Vimal and another student Tarun learn Sanskrit. Now if I say how many students are there, what will be the answer? Anil of English learning students and Vimal, who is same for both languages, English and Sanskrit, is only one, and Tarun, who is learning only Sanskrit. So there are only 3 students, not 4 students. Getting my point? Once again I reiterate it. Anil and Vimal learn English of one set, and another students Vimal and Tarun learn Sanskrit. In that case, there are only 3 students because Vimal is only one but learning both languages. Okay, so it's union. How we can perform it in mysql? Very easy. If you are writing the statement in relational algebra, you will mention the set 1 and set 2. So here we are having the set name table underscore name 1 union u is the sign for union operation, and next set is table underscore name 2. So another set, this one is another set. Okay, now students find these two tables here. Course is one of the table and another is student. Okay, so Freya admitted for this course and another course, and then Mohak and then Praveen and Lokesh. And next in the student table we are having Freya, Mohak, Praveen, Lokesh and then Rinku. Okay, so how many students are there? If we have to find out this one, what we will write? Select student name from course, select student from course, student name from course, student name from course, then we will mention union, then again select student name from student, order by city. Okay, it's not necessary to mention here order by, but union operation with the similar column name or column name which are to be performed, union operation to be mentioned here. So student name will be extracted, only Freya is taken once, then Chandu, Praveen, Lokesh, Rinku and Moha, but the student name which exist in both tables are not repeated. Freya, there are 2 Freya names in course and whereas 1 Freya in student, but taken once only. So all the student names are taken together here. So it's very easy operation. How to perform it over mysql? Just you have to write double times query along with the union operation. Union close union keyword student select student underscore name from course union select student name underscore name from student. Okay, so it's very easy operation. Now student will learn next operation, that is intersection. Now intersection means the common among two sets. How it's common among? Suppose English learning students are Anil and Vimal, and Sanskrit learning students are Vimal and Tarun. Then common among English and Sanskrit is Vimal only. So the value which is common among two sets is known as intersection. Finding of such value is known as intersection operation. So how we can perform intersection operation? Union operation in relational algebra is performed with the help of u sign, whereas intersection is reverse of u. So like this, table underscore name intersection table underscore name 2. If we perform intersection operation over set A and B, it will return the darken area. How we can perform this one? It's very easy. Singular query. It's very easy. How we can perform? Look at here. Select course dot student name from course, comma student, where here we are having two tables, course and student. So mentioning from two tables, student course dot student name from course comma student, where student dot name equals course dot student underscore name equals student dot student underscore name. Here meaning of this one is that the data, the value of student course name, student name should be displayed from the table course, from also from the student table, where the value of both tables name, student name matches. So the student name matches here. Priya, Mohak, Praveen, Lokesh, you can go through this one. So it's very easy, just joining operation like. Okay, you can do it. So for union operation there is one close union, but for the intersection operation there is no close, just you have to write the equality operator for finding out the value. Okay, now next one is difference. Difference means removal of value of set B. Same example, English student and Sanskrit student, Anil, Vimal, and in Sanskrit Vimal and Tarun. Then find out A minus B. Minus is the sign for relational difference operation or minus operation. So A minus B means value of A only to be displayed. So Anil, Vimal and Vimal, Tarun, only Anil will be displayed. Anil should be extracted. Okay, and if I write this statement, this B minus A means Tarun, Vimal Tarun minus Vimal Anil. So what will only it will display Tarun. Same operation can be performed. How we can perform the same operation? Similar table, course and student. You can do it on your system. Select student name from student as left join. Left join why? Because the value of left side, just similar to above Venn diagram, you can see we are trying to find out the value of A, left side value. So left join means data of student table. Course SC on student name equal C dot student, on which column we want to extract the value or after matching. So we are matching here to C dot S means student table, and C for course table, student table name and course table's name. So only for left side part will be displayed. So if we are having student table, if the second one is student table, so matching will be removed. Only Chandu and Rinku is the name of some value which are not existing in course table only will be displayed. Otherwise Lokesh cannot be displayed because it exists in the course table. Praveen cannot be displayed, Mohak cannot be displayed, and Priya cannot be displayed. So only Chandu and Rinku is being displayed. If I write the same query in if flip this query, first I take the course and then second I take the student name. In that case what will happen? It will display, it will not display Freya. Okay, why? Because it exists in student table. It will not display Mohak because it exists in this one. and it will not display Praveen because it exists in this one, and it will not display Lokesh because it exists. So it will not display any result. But if there is a name who exists in course but does not exist in student, will be displayed here. Okay, student. So it's very easy. Just you have to write the left join to finding out the result. Student, you can do it practically on all your system. Next one is Cartesian product or rows join. Cartesian product means multiplication of rows of both table. Okay, so suppose there are two row in one table and 3 row in another table. So how many rows after multiplication? 2 multiply 3 means 6 rows will be there. Okay, look at here. First table we are having A with Vishal and Ram, and select, and then another table B with Ram and Vikrant. Now if perform the Cartesian product, there is no special symbol to apply. Cartesian product, you just have to mention the second table also. Select star from A comma B. We are trying to find out the result, find out the value of A also as well as from B. So it display first Vishal, then Ram, then Vishal, then Ram. Vishal, Ram, Vishal, then Ram. Ram from the second table, then again Ram, and then Ram. Okay, so again Vishal and value of second. So it's 1 by 1, performing operation of 1 by 1. Vishal from first table, Ram from second table, then Ram from first table, and Ram from second table, then Ram. Similar like this. Then again Vishal for the Vikrant. So it's the multiplying, very easy. You can do it practically. Now next part of our content is join operation. Join means finding out the result after joining. So how many join means finding out the result of 2 or more tables. How we can perform this? There are certain different types of joining operation can be performed: inner join, outer join, left join, and right join. Okay. Inner join we have already done with the help of intersection operation, just similar to intersection operation. Find out the value which exists both in set A as well as in set B, which is similar to finding out the value which exists in both table. Okay, here we are having A table and then B table. In A table we are having name Vishal and Ram, and in B table we are having Ram and Vikrant. What is common? Common between these two tables are Ram. How we can find out the result of common result? Select course and student name from course and student, and next one is course to student name equals student dot student underscore name. We can see that we are trying to find out the common value among these two. Course dot student underscore name equals student dot student underscore name. So common name among these two is Ram. Now how we can perform natural join? Here we have learned inner join. Here we are applying natural join. Natural join is type of inner join. Point to be noted here. Natural join is a type of inner join which is based on column having same name and same data type present in both table. Student, here we are explicitly mentioning the column name for equality operation, but natural join perform the operation naturally after finding out that the column names which are similar in both tables. So select star from A, natural join B. So mysql will search the common column name from A and B and common value among these two columns. So Ram is the value which is common among both tables. So it's the natural join operation. Now next is left join. Left join means A minus B is similar to finding out the value of A only which does not exist in B. Minus operation. Vishal Ram and then Ram Vikrant. So if we perform Vishal Ram, what's joining? Perform Vishal value, then there is no similar value in second table Ram, but Ram similar value there is in B table. So it's displaying Vishal then null, Ram then Ram. Right side it will display right side value. So Ram is common among both tables, so Ram is being displayed, and null and Vikrant is available in right side. table, because we are mentioning B as right side table. Then full outer join. Full outer join means wherever value does not exist should display null. So in this one, Vishal then null, Ram then Ram, and null and then Vikrant. Okay. So student, I hope that you have learned. I instructed to go through twice or thrice to learn it perfectly. Thank you.